Okay. I'm running it upside down. There you go. What the heck is wrong with this thing? I'm gonna have to disconnect it. Because my guy's looking up for some reason. My guy's doing that on purpose. What's happening to my guy? Okay, let's see the events, see what's happening there. Featured 1 versus 100 shows. Okay. What are we gonna call this?
Duh. No, 360 not working.
Okay.
Even though it's really good, we just like the dumbasses. Play.
Ting tang, walla walla bing bang. Now let's introduce ourselves. Haha. I am Seth the Hunter, and this is.
And I am Sam Fleck.
Well, you're Jeremy.
No, I'm Sam Fleck.
Jeremy.
Sam Fleck.
Okay, if you want to be called that, but your name is Jeremy.
No, I'm not. He's lying.
Really?
You're dumbasses. You're not really dumbasses, okay? Oh.
Roof ball again.
Here's your root beer. I hate. You're loco. Uh-oh. He made a burp. Here's my rear view.
Why are you showing them your penis?
I'm not. I should.
Not.
Okay. This is the 360. Ooh.
Controller.
Okay.